Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to push your VSCode project to GitHub using just 3 simple commands. Alright, let's get started. First, open GitHub and create a new repository. Once it's created, copy the line that says git remote add origin your GitHub link. Now jump into VS Code and open the terminal. Here are the commands you need to type step by step. First, git init and hit enter. Second, git add. Third, git commit -m your commit message. Perfect. Now paste the command we copied from GitHub, git remote add origin your GitHub link. To make sure everything is connected, type git remote -v. And finally, the magic command git push origin master. That's it. Let's go back to GitHub and refresh the page. And as you can see, our project has been successfully pushed to GitHub. Alright, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss upcoming coding tutorials. And hey, if you want me to cover a specific topic, just drop a comment below. I read all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.